Mostly, we got clothes, but I got the one thing that I was after.
That was my early sale purchase right there.
If I don't set this guy down, I'll not be able to pick up anything else.
Right? I got my clothes over here.
Oh, okay. Oh, I can add it to my pile. Please can carry a pile back there for me.
Oh, here, let me take it for you. No problem. No problem.
You know how much you were looking for on those?
Well, these are gone, so Dawn will have to look. I think you had one pair of shoes that was mine. Yeah. Hey, Dawn, how much for these guys? $5 or $5?
Okay. And then there's two vests as well.
Oh, this one is, those are $5 each.
Okay.
So, okay, yeah.
Perfect.
You want all these then?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I didn't know if you wanted to hang one of those expensive hangers or black ones.
You can have
Do I get, is that like a bottle refund? I get like 5 cents piece? No, I bought the pockets too. Yeah, because you have several different people, right? So
we do. So let me do this. Johnny's stuff is very simple. Okay. So 23 plus 3 is 26 for me.
okay. And then this is a t-shirt out of it.
26, 28 for me, please.
Okay.
And then let me look at
You gotta look at it.
Don, you gotta name this stuff.
Oh, Charlotte. I will.
Yeah, that's neat. That's the old logo.
I will now that I have a few hangers, hon.
Did you say, do you take electronic payment?
I do.
I could do that really easy.
Look at you.
That'll save me some cash for later on.
Sure. You want to Venmo me or Cash App or Messenger Pay?
Do you do PayPal?
I do PayPal. I can in love. Here. Oh yeah, here. I'll move
What
over
do I owe you?
So mine is only 11 for the
Okay.
Converse and the jeans and the t-shirt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Perfect. Thank you.
And I do have change if I need
Okay. Yeah, I've got a 20. So.
Let me get it. No problem.
With you, it will be fine. 2,
Yeah.
4, 6, 16, 19, 20, 21,
There you go.
22, 23, 24,
There you go.
25, 26, 27. You're even $30, friend.
There you go.
Okay, guys, so we are back. I probably don't need to be masked up still, but I am. So let's take a look at what we got. Mostly, we got clothes, but I got the one thing that I was after. Okay, guys, this is the one thing that I was after. I saw this in the ad on Facebook. It was one of the pictures in there. It's actually in like 3 of the pictures. This is why I went to this sale first, because I wanted this blow mold. This is an old Empire blow mold. Keep an eye out for these. This little guy will sell, particularly as we get closer to the season, but he will sell for about 25 or 30 bucks plus shipping, or right about $50 free shipping, depending on how you want to do it. It is a little bulky, so you're going to have to get a box for it, but people love these things. Keep an eye out for blow molds, and this is a smaller one, so it's going to be relatively easy to ship. Now that's my my coolers back there. We didn't get those. Now this guy, I don't know why he's sitting here. He's from another sale. We'll show you later, because otherwise this is too long. But yeah, I mean, spoiler, we got that guy. This is what we got otherwise at that sale. Now they all have a little bit of spotting, like right there. Right there. So I'm going to try and wash these and get them out, but even with some spots, I think they'll be okay. This is just a cool chinchilla. It's a Patagonia. It's got a cool color block to it. I think it's pretty neat. It's a women's XL. This is going to be pretty good. Now, all of these, I was surprised. She said $5 a piece. So that was a great deal. So we grabbed this Patagonia. I think that'll move relatively quickly. I didn't comp anything at this sale. I just grabbed based on what I knew. This brand, Kavu, another Bolo brand, and this is a cool sort of retro look to it. I think it's neat. This is a women's XL. It's in really very nice shape. I think I found a little spot on this somewhere, but I obviously can't even find it now, so it's not too bad. It was down here somewhere. I think this is in pretty good shape, so this ought to sell quite well. Again, $5. Now we've got 2 spiders. This is a, see, there it is. Keep an eye out for that brand. It's SPYDER. That's their tag. This is a full zip, the waffle pattern. That's what that is. There it is right there, Spider. They make pretty high-end clothes, cold weather clothes. So this is going to be good. That's a women's XL, and this also a women's XL. Now I've sold one like this before. This ought to be about 25 or 30 bucks. I'm going to guess probably the same on all those. I mean, it could be $100 of the 4 things that we got here. We paid $5 a piece. So there's another spider. Let's look back here at the shoes. These, I think, probably 25 or 30 bucks. They are used, but they are in great shape. You see the whites there? The white isn't dirty at all on the sole, just a little bit of rocks in there. These are size 9. I think these are probably $25 or $30 shoes right there. I don't know on these, but I thought it was cool. They're Converse All-Star with the black on black. I'd guess maybe 15 or 20 bucks on those. This is neat. It's not old. I saw it and thought it was old just because of the graphic. The new Nickelodeon version looks goofy. But this is the old Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles design and style. You can see it's the 4 different turtles combined, which I just think is really neat. The tag on here, it's still new with tags. I think this came from TJ Maxx, so it was a $20 shirt on clearance for $8. I think that's a TJ Maxx tag. So I'm not sure about this, but I thought it was cool. I might actually keep this one. I like this one. This one, unfortunately, is youth, but Charlotte Hornets. If you find these, this is the old logo, guys. Pick them up. They don't have this logo anymore. And so this is a collectible thing. Now, as a kid's shirt, I really don't know. But a cool vintage shirt. It's made in the USA. It's a Superstars tag. A little bit of a tear down here, but I don't know. I don't know how well the youth is going to sell. But it was worth giving a shot for 50 cents. Now, these, again, I don't know. I grabbed them because both of these jeans, if you see, are orange tag. Okay, so you know they're vintage. I think orange tab is, what, the 70s? So for $2 a piece, I thought I'd grab them. They're two different sizes. What I'm not sure about, one is it's a smaller size, one of them. This one is a size 12. See, so it's like a 12 teeth, so it's for a kid. And it's beat up, which, I mean, is fair, you know, being that old. But we got a hole here, and then in the knee, it's really, really bad. So what I might do with both of these is list them as they are, let them sit for a while, see what happens. And if they don't go, maybe turn them into cutoffs. I don't know. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I mean, was it worth grabbing these? I don't know. I took a shot. These ones are not kids. They're a 30 by 26, but again, we've got a, that one's got a nice bit of air conditioning there. And again, there's a tear across the knee. So I'm not sure. I mean, I might have whiffed on those, but we did so well on the other stuff. It was worth taking a shot. So that's what we got, guys. Not that guy. So what do you think? I think we did okay for a Friday morning garage sale. We got that guy, and that's really what I was after. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I sure appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. That'll let you know when we put new content up, and comment down below. Again, let me know what you think about the pickups. Let me know if I missed something. I missed lots of things. I'm still learning. And so I love when you guys point things out that, hey, by the way, you left something on the table. It's $100. That's a bummer, but it helps me learn, and it helps the people learn. So look down in the comments, because there's very smart people that watch my channel. I love my subscribers, and you guys are really, really smart in a lot of areas. So we can all learn from each other, and that's what we're doing here. I appreciate you stopping by. I'm going to let you go.